जानते ही है कि सभी हम लोग अभी घर पे हैं, कुछ करने का नहीं है खास। तो मैंने सोचा कि आज चलो कुछ पकाते हैं। कभी मैंने कुकिंग नहीं ट्राई किया यार, लाइफ में सब कुछ ट्राई करने का कोशिश किया, कुछ कुछ सक्सेसफुल हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ, लेकिन कुकिंग मैंने यार कभी ट्राई नहीं किया। तो आज मैंने सोचा कि चलो कुछ ट्राई करते हैं कुकिंग में। तो टुडे आई थॉट ऑफ मेकिंग pancakes. Obviously, I've never tried anything like that. Nothing in cooking. So my mom is going to help me out in this, and it's a very, very, very easy process. Very few ingredients are also needed for this. So let's see how it turns out. So the ingredients we need for preparing the pancake is 2 bowls of maida, or what we call as flour, and sugar. Of course, this is the man of the match, which brings sweetness and everything. And then a little bit baking powder, 2 eggs for sure, and milk, our top ingredient for the day. And we need a pinch of salt. These are the things we need: a whisker and spoon and stuff. So after mixing up all the ingredients, now we will whisk it properly. Whisk it, yes. And have to make it more consistent. See how thick it is becoming. Yeah, there goes our baby. Now we'll keep it. Now we will be adding eggs. Now we will be adding an egg. Just a brick. Okay. Yes. Oh. Yeah. Now after adding the egg, it's time again for whisking. So while mixing up, I just forgot to add oil. So we need to add a little bit of oil to again bring consistency in the thing. Alright, I think this is pretty much enough. Now let's light up the stove, and we will be putting the pan on top of it. Oh,
Little oil.
so we will be brushing a bit oil on the surface of the pan to again make it more consistent. So actually my mom is helping me a bit because I've never cooked for myself. This is the first time I'm trying. So that also my mom is helping me. the great chef my mom is making. The first one. It looks good. Let's have a close look. Yeah. That's our baby right there. The first pancake is on the pan. So, as far as I know, when the bubbles are coming out, that means your bottom is getting cooked little by little. So, partially you have to flip it over, and yes, that's the brownie portion, the golden part of our pancake. This is what the people like the most. Yeah. Yes, that's our brown boy ready to go on the plate. So the second brown boy is in the pan again. Bubbles are coming out, and we are in the process of making a good pancake. So the first two were made by my mom, but now it's my time to show some skills. Let's see what. I know the shape is so creepy. My mom's were perfect, but then toss it a bit. Guys, after making a heap of pancakes, now it's the time for the last one to go in the plate. Let's start it. Oh, I think the stove is off. We need to just... Okay. Achha, it isn't small. So this is the last one. Pouring as much as you can. Small bubbles are coming out little by little. So after the whole surface is filled with all the bubbles, we will be flipping it over on the other side. So guys, if you think that I am doing something wrong in the process, or anything is going wrong, or any compromise in the making of the video or something, please do let me know in the comment section below, because I'm also trying this for the first time, so obviously mistakes will happen. It happens with everyone. I'm not any special guy that mistakes won't happen to me. So please do the needful. Let me know in the comment section below. And yes. So I think pretty much the whole surface is filled with bubbles. So after placing this on the plate, our whole pancake heap is ready, as you can see. So doesn't this look good? Yeah, okay, so now it's time for adding some beauty to this beast. So it's like Beauty and the Beast. Well, that was not a joke, but still. Now we will be adding the final and the best part of the whole pancake recipe, the maple syrup. Here we go, dripping it over, a little bit on this side and on this side. Yeah. And as you can see, we're